Welcome to week 3, students. You're halfway there. This week we will be going over chapters 5 and 6. Chapter 5 is about staffing and recruiting. It will describe the human resource management process as well as the influence of government regulations on human resource decisions. It will contrast recruitment and downsizing options and explain the importance of validity and reliability in selection. It will also describe the selection devices that work best with various kinds of jobs, identify various training methods, and describe the goals of compensation, administration, and factors that affect wage structures. Lastly, it will explain what is meant by the terms sexual harassment and layoff survivor sickness. Chapter 6 discusses controlling. It will describe the control process. It will contrast two types of corrective actions and compare preventive, concurrent, and corrective controls. It will explain how a supervisor can reduce cost, list the characteristics of an effective control system, and explain potential negatives that controls can create. Explain what is meant by the term just-in-time inventory systems and describe what is meant by the term value chain management. It will also identify the ethical dilemmas in employee monitoring. Lastly, it will explain what is meant by employee theft and its effects on an organization. To complete the week, you're required to participate in a discussion. Discussions 3.1 and 3.2. You are to make an initial posting for each discussion by Wednesday midnight, as well as respond to 2 other classmates. Remember to provide cited resources or references that are viable and valid. Your assignment this week will be to create a 1 to 2 page summary discussing what the control means to you as you carry out your jobs in life as a student, citizen, employee, parent, friend, and so on. So to be specific in your examples, think in terms of the preventive, concurrent, and corrective controls that you use for different aspects of your life. Adapt to your own life the elements of effective supervision, for example, budget controls, investments, short-term and long-term planning, directing, and organizing. Remember to please read the assignment instructions on how to submit the assignment. Remember to plan your workload accordingly. I look forward to seeing you in the Zoom virtual room on Wednesday at 7 p.m. Pacific time. I wish everyone a great and prosperous week.